Let's have a look at what we've been doing this week at Project Heaven. So we've got this gorgeous Ferrari 250 GTE in, which we've done a full reupholstery of the interior and repainted the doors. Have a look in there. Okay, so we've had a lot going on. We've now got a new parts store and a machine shop. We've got a surface grinding machine for doing cylinder heads and blocks, a crack testing machine for testing for cracks in crankshafts and drive shafts, things of that nature, Delapina for little end bushes and cylinders, and a new balancing machine which can do a full prop assembly, flywheels, crankshafts, all that sort of thing. We're progressing nicely with the Austin Healey build. Quite a lot more to do on that still, but it's coming along nicely. The Alfa Romeo's got its engine back in. We just got to get the bonnet on and finish the wiring and a bit of plumbing. The electric Porsche conversion is coming along really well. We should be a couple of weeks away from actually driving this thing down the road and taking it for a spin. This car came in this week, gorgeous XJS. The customer wants us to make a aluminium bonnet with louvers and a little flip up at the back there. He also wants us to make him aluminium doors, plexiglass windows at the rear, and an aluminium boot. So Ed's going to be very busy this week with a lot of fabrication on that. The Mercedes Pagoda is coming on well. If you have a look inside, the trimmer's been working on the interior. That's almost in. We've got to put the seats and everything in, but it's coming along quite well. And the screen needs to go in. And then let's see what's going on in the fabrication room. Ed's finished up the Lancia. We've put some acid etch on that and it's going to go down to the paint shop shortly. And we've got another E-type in. As you can see, that's going to need an entire new floor. There's a lot of work to do on that. Thanks for watching today's video, and be sure to get in contact with us if you've got a classic car that needs a full restoration or any other kind of work doing to it.
Mm-hmm.